And I have found the older section of Hingham Cemetery here. Here's a stone dating back to 1730. Samuel Gill, who departed March 28th, 1730, at 74 years. This one looks like it's been restored. Now these two names go back to 1658 and 1671. Again, Hersey. That is I believe probably one of the founding families of Hingham. You can probably hear some construction noise off in the background. Apologize for that. Here's a 70-year-old man, Thomas Barnes, I believe. 1672 is when he passed. Daniel Stoddard, 1736. $1692 here. Just amazing to think of what life must have been like back then. In 1715, I mean, these predate even the Revolutionary War. 715 again. 1727. Somebody has put some stones on top. The Bates Memorial. Peter Welty, or Wealthy. I think there were some more old ones down this way. Miss Sarah Morey, passed in 1844. Tough to read, but I believe these are a couple Civil War soldiers, or who at least fought in that battle. GAR, Grand Army of the Republic. A 28-year-old woman there. I'm not sure what type of stone that is, but sadly it doesn't last as long as the granite and some of the other ones here. Some of these are barely legible. Now Derby, that's a name in Hingham. The Derby Shops. So we'll see what the story is here. 1991, but this commemorates some people from 1700s. It's more Lincolns. This one's really old, but very hard to read. (1792) William Lincoln. More Lincolns. Ezekiel Lincoln, deceased January 30th, 1828, I believe that says. The battery is running low, so to make it quick. Again, just the history in Massachusetts is pretty much all around. Everywhere you look, there's something 200, 300, 400 years old. Revolutionary General Benjamin Lincoln. Well, thanks for taking the tour with me. Pretty fall day in southeastern Massachusetts. An idea of the color we get here. Okay. John Levitt, born 1608, Beverly, England. And Mary Lovett, born 1617, Plymouth, England. Died July 4th, 1646. So about 30 years before the country was even founded. Sarah Gilman, born January 19th, 1622. Okay, we're going to wrap it up. Actually can see the ocean down there through the trees. Not sure if that's Hingham Bay or what that's called, but that's definitely salt water. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.